A baby moon's a wonderful time to relax before the arrival of a new baby. We'd only recommend, obviously, that you consider where you travel, and that's particularly after your 20 weeks in gestation. Travelling safely with the pregnant, probably the most important thing is when you plan and when you go, and the best person to speak to prior to doing that is your obstetrician because they know you the best. I think it's important to know in Australia we have the highest standard of healthcare for you and your baby, and that may not be the case when you travel to different locations around the world because there's different health standards. I'd also recommend that you take out travel insurance and just be mindful of the type of cover that you purchase because it's really important that both you and your baby are covered, and that may not always be the case in some policies. And the other thing I'd recommend is that if you're taking travel insurance, that you do that as soon as you book your trip, just in case you have any complication with your pregnancy and you need to cancel. So I think when holidaying and pregnant, you just need to be careful about the activities that you undertake. So obviously don't do any strenuous activities you wouldn't normally do at home. Stay hydrated and just be careful of what you eat. If you're travelling internationally while you're pregnant, we would just obviously recommend that you check with your doctor before you leave, and that's particularly relevant if you're over 20 weeks. And obviously there is some coverage limits under your policy, so we'd recommend you can call us and discuss it with us.